Welcome to HealAscends, your sanctuary for natural health and vibrant living. Today, we're exploring something powerful, something science supports and our hearts recognize: the power of storytelling. But this isn't just any story time. These are the real-life stories of seniors people, just like you or your loved ones, who've embraced a life of natural healing, wellness, and resilience. And trust us, their experiences will inspire you to take small, powerful steps toward a healthier you. 1. Why storytelling matters in health. You may be wondering, how does storytelling relate to health? Well, a lot more than you think. Recent studies show that storytelling can improve mental well-being by reducing anxiety and loneliness, motivate behavioral changes toward healthier habits, help pass down generational wisdom, especially regarding natural remedies and healthy diets. Stories don't just entertain, they heal, they inspire. They connect us to what matters. 2. Meet Grandma Lynn. The healing power of food. Meet Grandma Lynn, 78 years young, from Northern California. 10 years ago, she faced chronic fatigue, joint pain, and a weakened immune system. Doctors prescribed pills, but nothing seemed to stick. Till one day, she went back to her roots, literally. She remembered her own grandmother's wisdom: let your food be your medicine. So, Grandma Lynn began building her meals around immune-boosting foods like fresh garlic, turmeric, leafy greens, bone broth, shiitake mushrooms. She also started drinking her morning tonic, a blend of warm water, lemon, honey, and grated ginger. In just 6 months, her energy returned. Her joint pain lessened. Today, she gardens every morning, cooks with her grandkids, and hasn't had the flu in 4 years. 3. Tom's transformation. Walking away from sugar next. Meet Tom, 72, a retired teacher who once had a sugar addiction. Cookies, soda, pastries, you name it, he ate it. His wake-up call: a near-diabetic diagnosis. But Tom didn't want to rely solely on medication. He started reading, watching wellness videos just like this one, and learning about the impact of processed sugar on the immune system. Through storytelling here and others' journeys, he found strength. He switched to naturally sweet, immune-boosting fruits like blueberries and papaya, herbal teas like cinnamon and rooibos to curb cravings, and homemade desserts with dates and almond flour. Fast forward to today, and he now mentors other seniors through a community wellness circle. His blood sugar is stable. He walks 2 miles every day. For healing through connection. Maria's story. Maria, 74, from New Mexico, lost her husband during the pandemic and fell into depression. Her sleep suffered, her appetite dwindled, and her immune system crashed. Doctors tried antidepressants, but nothing filled the emptiness. Until a neighbor invited her to a natural wellness storytelling circle at a local center. There, Maria heard stories of grief, healing, love, and laughter. She began to open up, sharing her own journey. And in that sharing, she healed. She also learned practical tips like making calming chamomile and ashwagandha tea, preparing immune-boosting bone broths with seaweed and shiitake, creating a sleep routine using lavender oil, and gentle yoga. Now, Maria leads that same group once a week, proof that connection is the ultimate natural remedy. 5. The role of nature in senior wellness. Another common thread in all these stories. Nature, whether it's walking barefoot on the grass, tending to a small herb garden, or simply sitting under a tree and practicing gratitude. Our seniors report that nature is healing. Science agrees. Time outdoors reduces stress hormones, improves sleep, and even boosts immune function. So if you're watching this today feeling overwhelmed or unwell, consider this simple advice. Start small, step outside. Let nature remind you you're alive and healing is possible. 6. Incorporating these lessons into your life. So how can you apply these inspiring stories to your life? Here are 5 key takeaways you can start with today. 1. Start your day with a healing tonic, like Grandma Lynn's Ginger Lemon Honey Blend. It supports digestion and immune health. 2. Replace one processed snack with an immune-boosting alternative. Think berries, nuts, or a green smoothie with spinach and spirulina. 3. Join a storytelling circle or create one. Whether in person or online, sharing wellness journeys builds community and accountability. 4. Grow your own herbs. Even if it's just a pot of mint or basil on your windowsill, fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and oregano support immunity. 5. Walk in nature daily. Just 15 to 20 minutes can refresh your mind and energize your body. 7. Why this matters now more than ever as we age. It's easy to believe that we're slowing down, that our best days are behind us. But these stories tell a different truth. They show us that healing isn't just about medicine. It's about connection. It's about daily choices. And it's about honoring the wisdom of those who've walked before us. You are not too old. It is not too late. Your next chapter can be your healthiest yet. Now, we want to hear from you. Do your, someone you love, have a healing story to tell? What natural remedy, immune-boosting food, or healthy habit changed your life? Share your story in the comments below. We might even feature it in our next video. And don't forget, like this video to support our mission. Subscribe for weekly content on natural remedies, immune-boosting foods, and senior wellness. Hit the bell so you never miss a story that could change your life. This is Healisons, where your health story matters. Until next time, be well, stay inspired, and share your light.